One more film? But please, do not treat it as a film. It is an experience, a devastating experience, an experience I ardently wanted to share with you. The laughter, the playfulness personified. Children unaware of the miseries of the world as though a world of innocence. A singing world, a world of songs. A world of fairy tales. In this world of tales, the animals betray human emotions. Yes, this too was a world full of laughters, playfulness, engrossed in storytelling, listening to fairy tales, an innocent world. But then came a twist in the tale, and the world was not the same again.
मैं कैंप जा रही हूँ। क्यों? वहाँ मिलने जा रही हूँ। किसको मिलने? बिल्ली को मिलने जा रही हूँ। बिल्ली कैंप में क्यों है? दूध पीने। क्यों? घर में दूध नहीं था। क्यों? घर जल गया है, जल गया है, जल गया है।
It all started with the burning of a train in Godhra, a town in the state of Gujarat. But the matter did not end here. It spread like wildfire. Whole of Gujarat was literally in flames. Settlements wiped out. Houses in rubbles. The revenge and the rage had no consideration either for the old or for the infants. The people far away from Godhra, who had not seen the train even from a distance, were punished by crowds for the crime they had not committed. Children were put on fire, while mothers watched helplessly. Parents were killed cruelly, leaving the children orphaned. Lonely, helpless witnesses of the destruction, destitution, and ashes.
तब लड़ाई हुई इसलिए हम यहाँ आए।
The fight was between Hindus and Muslims, but the children became homeless. They became refugees. The children, happy in their own cozy homes till yesterday, are the destitutes of today, residents of refugee camps. Films full of violence and sex are given A certificate. A for adults. We do not want our little ones' innocence to be raped. We do not wish that they should grow up under wrong influences. We want to protect their innocence. And so we grant only A certificates to such films. A for adults. In that case, shouldn't these communal riots be given A certificate? The violence, the bloodshed, the burnings, the rapes, surely these are not the scenes to be watched by the children.
जो औरत को इन लोगों ने बदल करके जलाया ना पूरी रात, यानी समझो हमारे 8:30 से लेके वो 12:30 तक हमारे साथ थी रात को ढाबे पे, पूरी जली हुई हद से ज्यादा। उसकी आग भी हम लोगों ने बुझाई ढाबे पे, पूरी उसको नंगी करके उसको जलाई उस औरत को।
These children were not only witnesses to these riots, but were victims too. The killer's arguments were horrid.
एक आदमी ने उसके बाल पकड़ लिए, फिर चेन मारी, बोले आज इसको हम काटेंगे। तो फिर एक आदमी ने बोला तुम औरतों पे जुल्म कर रहे हो, बोले ये मासूम बच्चा है, इसको मत काटो। बोले यही मासूम बच्चा बड़ा होकर हमारे सीने में खंजर घोंपेगा। बोले
Nobody said love them so that they would give us love in return. Nobody said protect them so that they would protect us in the future. Nobody said give them songs so that tomorrow they would sing them. These children wanted to grow up singing, but some adults raised their sword on them, killed their parents, burned down their houses. Do these adults wish that these children should use sword when they grow up? We want peace for tomorrow. We do not want knives to be flourished. It is necessary that we protect the remaining innocence in these disturbed children. The children themselves are trying to come out of the trauma. Just a helping hand is needed. Communicating in their own way and language is what is required. With this thought in mind, I conducted workshops in the relief camps. As many as 9 big and 8 small refugee camps were set up in the Sabarkantha district alone. About 12,000 people took refuge in these camps and 9,000 were children. About 365 families who had narrow escapes from the riots are kept in one refugee camp in Himmatnagar district. But they lost their homes. Their businesses were destroyed. The future of these children is one big question mark. The children are engrossed in making dolls, but there is some inner agony, persistent pain that manifests in some way or the other.
मैं कौन हूँ आपको पता है? ना मालूम नहीं? मालूम है? नहीं। आपको? आपा। 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 बिल्कुल सही। आपा है। अच्छा ये आपा कैसी लग रही है आपको?
दुखी है।
दुखी है? बराबर। किसने दुख है? किसने दुख? क्या दुख होगा उसका? आपको पता है? तो आप बताइए इसका दुख क्या होगा? पहली बार उसने क्या देखा? तूफान। तो किसका तूफान? क्या तूफान था?
क्या हुआ था वो? क्या हुआ था? हाँ?
उसके माँ बाप मर गए, उसकी बहन मर गई।
अच्छा, रोने से बहुत दुख हो गया।
वो कुछ कर सकती नहीं,
बराबर है, कुछ नहीं कर सकती, सोच नहीं पाती।
कुछ सोच भी नहीं पाती।
और फिर क्या हुआ? फिर क्या हुआ? उसके कौन मिल गए उसे? आसरा मिल गया। किसका आसरा मिल गया? कैंप का आसरा मिल गया। बिल्कुल सही। ये आपा की कहानी है और ये कहानी आप सभी ने बनाई, इसलिए मैं आपकी बहुत ही आभारी हूँ। Appa is not happy. The doll is unhappy. Why is the doll unhappy? Because she is alone. Her dear ones were killed in the riots. Her house was burned down. Appa had to come to the relief camp. आप इधर क्या कर रहे हो अभी? कैंप में रहते हैं। क्या मजा आता है कैंप में? नहीं आता है। How do you feel in the refugee camp? Not good. Living in the refugee camp is not a pleasant experience. I imagine myself and my children to be as inhabitants of refugee camps and shudder. How would the doll like it then? हम लोग भी बम्बई से आए हैं आपको अपने साथ खेलने के लिए। तो आपको मजा आया ना? वापस आऊँ? कहाँ आऊँ? आपके घर आऊँ? में थोड़ी रहोगे, तुम जाओगे ना वापस घर? हमको घर मिलेगा, आपके घर में आऊंगी। हाँ, ठीक है, बाय बाय। The children have now started realizing that they may not be able to return home at all. Either their homes are no longer in existence, or if at all they do exist, they will not be allowed to return. I tried to comfort the children in the relief camps for a while and returned with many nagging questions. Does this country offer these children only tents in the relief camps? Just tents and no homes? I'm surprised to see the unbelievable inner strength of the children, the way they are facing the reality and can still be playful, smiling. Another question confronts me the next moment. Till when? Till how long will the strength of innocence remain potent? If the so-called grown-ups keep on their onslaught on the innocence of these children, then how long will they be able to sustain it? How long will that faith in humanity be alive? Just a while ago, I made them sing. I feel guilty that I made these children sing. On what basis? This is the country that fills its relief camps and calls it security. I am still amazed that despite the blows on their innocence, these children do not want to lose their confidence, that they keep on singing. Why are these little believers full of confidence in these relief camps? Their toys are in the relief camp. Their cat is in the relief camp. Their doll is in the relief camp. Their dreams. Will they find the answer to all their questions in the relief camp? On my way back, a riot of questions hover around me, haunt me, harass me. Oh, why? Why the relief camps? Do they haunt you too?